Hello and welcome to this tip of the week video where I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to change filters now with the new 4-inch deep filter shroud available for all MAG-200 dust collectors as an upgrade. So the same catch clamps we use on the bottom tray to give you such quick access to the bottom tray where the heavies go, we now have on the filter cover. We have this louvered cover where the air is directed downward. You pull the cover off. Here's the 4-inch deep filter. Simply slide that out. Here's the pad filter. Simply pull that out. And then of course to reload filters, it's the same just in reverse. Make sure the coarser side of this pad filter is towards the inside of the machine so that the dust contacts it first. When loading pleated filters, make sure that the wire mesh side is where the air is exiting. Slide that in, take your cover, watch that you have the open corners around the edges, get your catch clamps, snap them on, and that's simply how fast and easy it is now to change the filters in the MAG-200 with this new deep filter shroud. So if you'd like to upgrade your MAG-200 to the new 4-inch deep filter shroud, or if you happen to need filters for your unit, please visit Magna-Matic.com where you'll find all those available there. Thank you very much for watching.